Hey, what's going on, road runners? This is your brother, Road Runner Jay. I know it's been a minute since I made a video, but you guys got to see this one, okay? I'm on I-80 East right here by Rock Springs. There is a semi-truck trailer that just bursted into flames right here on the side of the highway, okay? Just want to send prayers to everybody involved. Hopefully nobody is injured. Hopefully everybody is safe. Just want to let you guys know it's a lot to come with this trucking career. You know, it's a very, very dangerous job, you know. Just want to pray that everybody is safe and you guys stay safe out there. All right, thank you.